Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, we are English group in the class 11 TKJ 1. My name is Muhammad Ma'ruf Nur Wahid, number 25. And you?
My name is Naim Putri Anggraini, number 26. And you? And you?
My name is Imamatul Amalia Syafitri, number 18.
And you?
My name is Tiara Nisa Skarjati, number 33. And you? 33. And you?
My name is Ahmad Alil Hadi, number 4.
Okay. Okay, today we will make a tutorial how to make fried rice with black sauce and meatball sauce. Okay, let's check it out. Okay guys, this is ingredient to make fried rice with black sauce and meatball sausage.
Rice, sausage, meatball, 1 egg.
chili, onion, garlic, and salt, tomato, black sauce, masako, and oil.
Okay, this is ingredient ready to cook. Okay guys, this is chili, garlic, onion. So many chili because I like. Okay, pour the salt. You can see this. This is so hot and red.
Second, add vegetable oil on frying pan.
Yes. Heat vegetable oil on fry pan.
Okay, third, put the seasoning that has been mashed into the pan. Okay, then crack the egg.
Yes, this is egg. Egg with ingredients, chili, onion. Frying in the pan. Put the rice at the pan. Many rice at the pan. Put the rice at the pan and frying at the pan. But this is not a way frying. This is a way stir fry.
Okay, next for the black sauce to taste.
Ini saus ABC. Oh, itu saus. Yes, this is meatball and sausage slices for fried rice.
Then put the meatball and sausage.
Yes, this mixing rice, ingredient, meatball and sausage until heat and mature. Okay, this is fried rice can be served. Okay, this is fried rice with black sauce and meatball sausage. This is
Ready to eat.
okay. And now for today, we make a tutorial, make a fried rice with black sauce and meatball sausage. Maybe you can try at home and benefit for you. Okay, thank you for watching.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.